Alright guys, we down here at Al Bend. Yeah, we got Slade with us. Say hi.
Hi.
Got old Uncle Buck. He's still salty though, people. He's still salty. You know what I mean? He let that old bass break his rod yesterday.
Hey.
But hold on. If he had quit buying that Equate tight rods, it probably wouldn't have happened, people.
Well, you know
But hold on, I'm not done. Hold on.
You know what?
Now hold on. Because see, people, here's the difference between me and Uncle Buck. If that would have been me, there's no way that bass would have broke my rod. Because I don't buy bullshit rods.
Y'all look here, people. That's Bubba's rig. That's the same rod that broke on me yesterday.
Yeah, but hold on. Mine's reinforced.
Reinforced with horse shit.
Now, anyway, guys, we down here at Al Bend. We gonna get a little drone footage today, ain't that right? You gonna show them, Uncle Buck?
Hopefully, all systems are go this time.
I heard that. We're gonna get a little drone footage for y'all overhead where we're at. Hopefully we catch something. Slade gonna actually do some fishing today. He's still gonna be the net guy, but he's actually gonna throw the rod today. But anyway, we gonna go at it. See what happens, and for the record, that bullshit that Uncle Buck said on the last video at the end about all that bullshit I said, I didn't say none of that, people. He made that shit up on his fucking own. I ain't no fucking way, and everybody knows after watching our videos, people are like, Bubba don't even know. No, I don't talk like that.
You know what?
It's
he's
bullshit.
telling the truth. He's telling the truth. What I said wasn't exactly what he said. I cleaned it up a little bit more because he did a lot more crying.
Whatever, dude. Look, guys, he's two bass ahead of me. But that's gonna change hopefully today. So anyway, guys, we're gonna put this boat out and we'll see y'all later. Out. There you go.
Unbelievable. And I can see that wet trailer in that truck.
Mm-hmm.
Just like Mama said.
Mm-hmm. No way is that another plopper. Huh! Is it? Slade, hold that.
Dude, that is a fucking whopper.
It is a plopper.
Oh my God, really 3 of them?
Oh my God, dude, that son of a bitch is brand fucking new too, boy.
You know what, last time we were here, I saw that. But I figured it was a core.
Dude, that is a plopper.
No.
Full-fledged, dude. Brand new.
Shit.
Oh.
You gotta be shitting.
Y'all check it out now. Now y'all already know we come down here to Al Bend that first time. We found 2 whopper ploppers. We're here again. Once again, there's the launch. A 3rd whopper plopper. I don't know who it is been coming down here, but buddy, you might need to find you a new hobby. But we still appreciate the baits.
You home?
Daddy, look at what I got. And Uncle Buck, look what I got. This.
What that is? Spinnerbait.
Hang on, son. We're gonna see if we can get your Uncle Buck. unhung here. Now people, now y'all know y'all are about used to me doing this for Uncle Buck. I mean this shit right here happens a lot. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all why. Uncle Buck cannot judge his distance. Now, Uncle Buck.
I wish you'd hurry up. I'm trying to fish.
Can I get a thank you, Bubba?
Now, about time. I'll set my hook on that real quick.
There he is. Get the net, Slade.
There you go.
Get him, boy. There you go. Good job. Good job. Good
That
job.
fish is just moving. What?
Well. All right. There he is. Shit, grow bigger, son. Good job, Slade.
Oh, and hey, you know what? Oh,
Guess what, people? Guess what, people?
Go on and talk that shit, Bubba. You know what'll happen.
Guess what, people?
what?
Uncle Buck's only one ahead now.
Go on and get cocky. Matter of fact, I love it when you get cocky. 'Cause that just gives me another chance to knock your ass in the dirt.
What the fuck?
What happened?
Are you serious? And shit like this is why I can't do what I need to fucking do. You know what I'm saying?
Because Bubba can't control his rod.
It's shit like this.
Ain't no fish in the tree, homie.
Ain't no fish in the tree. Well, you ought to fucking know that.
Goddamn right, that's what I'm telling you.
God damn, boy, that's a fucking hook. Buried his ass in there.
Oh, get the net, get the net. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
It's stuck.
It's alright, we'll fix it. What's up, Bubba? You alright, dog? You
Why
see,
did you put
you seem a little nervous.
I must have put it in and the net was stuck.
It's alright, buddy, we'll fix it.
This is got a fish.
Yep. Got a fish. Got him good, too. Shit. Hold still, you little asshole.
That's it. We got a fish.
Yeah, we did.
But the net was stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Uncle Buck.
Hey, man, that's rude. God damn, I can't get this hook out of him. There it is. Hold still. God damn
That
it.
fish. Stop. That fish. Stop.
God damn it. Fucking stop.
That fish won't even stop. He just keeps moving. Whoa.
Damn bass is crazier than Pep.
It's like he's trying to get back in the water and slap us. You know, because they have tails.
I tell you, brother, that Uncle Buck and Slade are the only real fishermen in this boat. So how many you need to catch up again, Bubba? All right, people. We wasn't gonna do it,
people.
We wasn't doing the closing yet, but Bubba's over here crying.
Yeah, I'm tired of this
So I'm
bullshit.
gonna go ahead.
Tired of
I'm
this
gonna go ahead and let it roll.
Tired of this bullshit.
Yeah, that's
You
still
know?
hard to you. But there you go.
You know, I ain't gonna lie. I'm salty. I am salty. Now, you was 2 ahead when we started fishing.
Yeah.
Bam, I caught one. I was like, oh shit. Whoa, you ain't but one now. You know, and I be down.
And what did I tell you?
I be down if you didn't get hung up and you threw me off my course. And y'all know what happened, people? If I would have stayed on course where I was fishing, because when I unhung him, he was in my lane then. So what happened was he caught the bass that I should have caught. So see, y'all, there is a trick to Uncle Buck's sanity, man. I'm telling you. He knows what he's doing, and he don't really start getting hung up until he sees something nice. Like, oh, I know, man, I'm hung up, dude. So I gotta go there, unhang him, and then guess what? He gets to throw in my lane for a little while. Man, I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid.
Y'all hear that tiny violin? Well, he'll come over to any excuse he can
Hey, look at here,
to
look at here.
justify why he ain't about shit.
You know, you was one ahead for a little while. So here we go. Here we go.
I told you to enjoy it while you can.
Here we go. You're still two. This is unreal. I mean, it's unreal to me because I know in my heart that I am a better angler than you. I don't get hung up as much.
You sure
I
angling them trees tonight, buddy.
I mean,
Oh yeah, I'm putting that shit in the video.
oh man, I'm just. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking the situation at all.
What I did to you?
See my little ace in the hole back there, Slade. He just put my hat back on my head. Now he was wearing it, and he said, "Look, Uncle Buck, now I look just like you." And I said, "Boy, you look handsome as hell right now."
Hey, but let's admit it wasn't a bad trip because
No, we wasn't there.
let's look at that, people.
A third
Look at that.
whopper flopper.
Brand new, y'all. That is a brand new. Look at that. Ain't the paint even straight? That's a brand new plopper, people. Now that's probably a $10 bait right there.
Yeah.
And I don't know who keeps going down there and losing these things, but dude.
If y'all miss your baits, you are welcome to come down to the Backwoods Hillbilly Bait Museum because
I heard
that's
that.
going in the archives.
I heard that.
That's the third whopper we found at that same spot in the same damn tree. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, hell, y'all saw what happened. You know, we
What, baby?
got to fly the drone a little bit. You know,
What are you doing?
Still not
talked
100
about our video.
Still not 100% comfortable,
Yeah.
but you know we're getting there.
But hey, at least we're gonna have some drone footage this time.
We finally got it in the air.
Yes.
You know, got some footage, so you know
Yes.
hopefully it comes out as cool as I think it will.
Yeah.
You know, and we had Slade with us again tonight. You know, he did a little fishing himself.
Right.
Now I did see he got a bite and it looked like a good one, but he spit the hook out. There's old Slade back there. Got anything to say, Slade?
You got anything to say for the closing, Slade?
Yeah.
What's that, bud?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well,
That's a man of few words right there. But when he does talk, you need to listen.
that's right.
That was Al Bend. I mean, really, we wasn't there long at all.
No, we wasn't.
We got a pretty
It was
late
a
start.
short trip.
All in all, I'd say we had, what, an hour and a half?
Yeah, maybe an hour and a half. We could have flipped the lights on.
Yeah.
You know.
Hell, you know, sometimes you just need to have an easy day.
You know, we could have flipped the lights on to catfishing. Because hey, but at least we had that option. Ain't that right, Uncle Bud?
That's right. We can fish all day and all night.
So it don't matter.
That's right.
But the setup we got, people, woo,
We good to go.
we good to go.
Mm-hmm.
Used to, me and Uncle Bud were limited. Boy, I mean, it was like dark, we gotta go. But now,
Yeah, we could be out in the dark a little bit. We had some headlamps, but you know, there's still only so much you can do. And I'll be honest with you, at the time, I quit fishing because I couldn't see where the hell I was throwing.
right.
But it was still cool being out there looking up at that country sky, seeing nothing but stars
Right.
and whatnot. So, you know, I ain't complaining.
Right.
But we only had about an hour and a half tonight, and we still managed to pull two of them in the boat. So it was a good night. Good night. And y'all know how we roll. It ain't gonna be long before we be at it again.
Yeah.
That being said, we headed on to the house.
That's right.
So we'll catch y'all on the next one, and you know how we say,
You fishing, man, dominate.
dominate. We'll catch y'all next time.